Matapos ang magarbong opening ceremonies ng 14th Mindanao Regional Assembly ng Association of Philippine Medical Colleges Student Network na ginanap sa Kingdom Plaza sa Davao City, kung saan host school ngayon taon ang Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, formal lang nagtapos ang pagtitipon ng mga medical institutions sa Mindanao. Ang detalye mula kay Jean Domingo.
Ikalabing-apat na Mindanao Regional Assembly ng Association of Philippine Mindanao Colleges Student Network na ginanap sa Davao City, formal nang nagtapos.
For this year's Kasanya 2025,
has not only been a celebration of knowledge and skill.
Once again, welcome to the closing ceremony of Kasanya 2025.
Basically, the Association of Philippine Medical Colleges Student Network is the student counterpart of the Association of Philippine Medical Colleges Incorporated. So basically, when you say APMCSN, this is fully manned by a student body from different medical schools across the region of Mindanao.
Ang 3 araw ng pagtitipon ay dinaluhan ng representante ng iba't ibang medical institutions sa Mindanao, kung saan maliban sa academics ay sumabak din ang mga ito sa iba't ibang patimpalak.
I think that this event is really important because it's essential for medical professionals to build networks and connections. So having an event like this is important since the medical field is broad. So we get the chance to meet other medical students in Mindanao.
It's been a very fulfilling 3-day activity because, with these kinds of events, we were able to connect with other schools, and also we were able to collaborate and foster camaraderie with everyone. And it's been a nice experience.
It's very important na may collaboration kami between the Mindanao schools because later in our years sa medicine, we will be able to meet each other naman din, and to form this kind of camaraderie is very important, not just from our school but to other schools also.
Very important po kasi it's important then aside from of course learning about healing other people, then it's also important for us to establish relationship with other schools and establish also relationship with our colleagues then kasi at the end of the day we're all going to be working in the medical community, so we are going to be colleagues then one day. So very important po kasi through APMC we are establishing relationships with other schools, we are meeting new colleagues na then future colleagues na may interact namin sa hospital.
So far, I'm having fun with the event, and I'm honored to be learning a lot of stuff from this, especially from the CPCC right now. So it's a great honor. And
Ayon sa mga future medical practitioner, mahalaga ang isinagawang pagtitipon dahil napapalawak nito ang kanilang kasanayan. Gayon din ang pagpapatibay ng collaboration ng mga mag-aaral at medical institutions.
It shows na despite our differences, we can be united as one. So despite na there's cultural differences, na we can be united as one po. Parang there's a shared humanity, there's a shared goal po ng lahat ng medical schools, and that is to provide quality healthcare education po sa Mindanao, and not only in Mindanao but also in the Philippines.
Yes, my experience, and not only that po kasi we were able to connect with other students and then have conversations kung paano yung dynamics ng mga school namin compared sa mga school nila. And I think very important, especially dun sa maliit na community ng mga doctors and mga med students here in Mindanao specifically.
One thing I learned by joining APMC Rancon 2025 is that even if you come from different backgrounds, different schools, when you come together as one, you are all medical students, and all of you will create that one big impact in order to serve the community.
Dahil dito labis ang kanyang pasasalamat sa APMC at host school ngayong taon na Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated.
Message to APMC, sana mag-continue pa po kami sa network namin to collaborate and to engage with each other. And of course, to JMC as a host school, amazing talaga yung preparation nila po.
For APMC and the whole school, congratulations on hosting a very successful event. We really appreciated it. Everything was from beginning to end. We all enjoyed it and had no problems with it. So congratulations, APMC and JMC.
Our message for the whole school, grabe, ang laki po ng school nyo. So very thankful kasi sobrang alaga na sa amin, especially us mga participants, also pati kami mga staff and mga organizers na andito. So sobrang hindi kami nagugutom. Sobrang lahat aircon, grabe. Alagang-alaga kami. Tapos maganda talaga yung pag-prepare nila. So grabe, na-challenge kami sa nationals as in. So very thankful ako for Andro Larong for organizing this event. So super successful siya. And kakayanin din namin sa nationals. Thank you so much JMC for hosting the Regional Convention for Mindanao. Thank you po talaga.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal, Jean Domingo, SMNI News.